Let's talk about the curriculum map and how it can help you quickly find content that meets objectives. All of Education City's content is aligned to specific curriculums. The curriculum map helps you easily pinpoint content on Education City that's aligned to specific curriculum objectives that you're looking to address in class. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using the National Curriculum for England map. You can use the filter options to find content. You can filter by subject, year level and content type to help refine your search. Today I want to find content for a maths lesson which is with a Year 1 class. We're going to explore the strand called number and place value. Once I've clicked this, I can find the curriculum objective I want to address in my lesson. As you can see, I've got quite a few resources to work with, including activities, topic tools and teacher notes. It'll help me meet specific objectives. If I want to see the content before I show it in class, I can play it from here by simply selecting the title. Now, this is one of my favourite parts. We can easily add the content to a MyCity and assign it to students too by clicking on the plus symbol. I can choose to add the content to an existing MyCity, or I can even put it in a new MyCity for either classwork or homework. I could also place it in a MyCity that's for a specific set of students struggling with this particular objective. This means the curriculum map is great for differentiated learning. Let's put it in the Maths MyCity. By pressing the orange plus button, a green tick will appear to indicate that the content has been added. If a grey tick shows, this means it's already in the MyCity. Then all you need to do is press save and the content will have been added. It's also worth mentioning that if I want to export the whole curriculum map as a CSV file and print it or have it for my own records, I can too by simply pressing export. With the curriculum map, you can save precious class time and find lots of content that relates to curriculum objectives at your fingertips.